In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BCC and CC in Microsoft Outlook email, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use each field and how to set them up quickly, so your messages reach the right people with the right level of visibility. First, open Outlook. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app. The process is nearly identical. Once Outlook loads, head to Mail. This takes you to your inbox and the place where you'll compose messages. Start a new message by selecting New Mail. A compose window opens with the To, CC and BCC options, along with the subject line and message body. Think of these fields as your audience controls: who needs to act, who needs to be aware, and who should remain discreet. Click the CC option to add people who should be kept in the loop but are not the primary audience. Type the email addresses here. As you enter names, Outlook often suggests contacts. Choose the right one and separate multiple addresses with commas. Everyone in the To and CC fields can see each other's addresses, which is perfect for transparent updates or team communications. Next, click BCC to reveal the blind carbon copy field. If you don't immediately see it, look for the BCC button in the Compose header to show it. Type the email addresses for anyone who should receive the message without their addresses being visible to other recipients. This is useful for preserving privacy, such as when emailing a group that doesn't know each other. A quick etiquette tip: avoid using BCC to secretly copy someone who should be openly included. If someone needs visibility for accountability, CC is usually better. If you must use BCC for a large group, make sure your To field still has a clear primary recipient. Add your subject next. Keep it short, specific, and action-oriented so recipients understand the purpose at a glance. Clear subjects improve open rates and reduce back and forth. Write your message in the body. Be concise, lead with the main point, and call out any actions or deadlines. If you've used CC, briefly explain why those contacts are included. Before sending, give everything a final check. Confirm the To, CC, and BCC fields are correct, scan for typos, and make sure the tone matches your intent. When you're satisfied, click Send. That's it, your email goes out with the right visibility and etiquette built in. With these simple steps, you'll communicate clearly, protect privacy when needed, and keep your conversations running smoothly in Outlook.